The Hitachi ZW-5 wheel loader series has been developed with you in mind. In this new series, we've focused on ensuring comfort, environmental performance, fuel efficiency, and machine reliability. The new ZW-5 wheel loader has been designed for quick and easy serviceability, with wide open engine covers and easily accessible cooling package. The reverse cooling fan automatically blows out dust from the radiator for 1 minute of every 30 minutes of operation. The design of the machine facilitates easy daily inspections from ground level. Transmission oil level, hydraulic oil level, window washer tank, fuel drain, engine oil filter, engine oil drain, fuel pre-filter, fuel filter, engine coolant, and engine oil level gauge. A maintenance guide is affixed to the reverse side of the toolbox cover to ensure awareness of locations and intervals, including greasing points. Be sure to use Hitachi approved grease and oils in your ZW-5 wheel loader. With value-adding features like these, you can be sure of maximum uptime in the new range of Hitachi ZW-5 wheel loaders.